Hello YouTube world. As you can see by the title of this video, this is a hair review. I purchased this hair from wiggingshair.com. I'm gonna put all the specs down below. I don't even remember what I got. Hold up, because I got this like 2 months ago. Let me hold up. Here we go. I paid $191.76 for this hair. I bought 3 bundles and a closure. So I have on a 6x6 closure, and I have 16, 18, and 20 inches in. I didn't want it too long, but yeah. And I believe this is loose wave Brazilian hair. Okay, so yes, I got this hair from Wiggins Hair. Like I said, 6x6 closure in the inches 18, and then I got, I'm lying, I did not. I got the inches 16, 18, and 20 with a 14-inch 6x6 closure. The closure basically stops from here to here. I really like the hair. When did I purchase this hair? March. Okay, I purchased this hair March 20th, and it is now May 29th. So that's 2 months. The first time I installed it, I did a sew-in because I wanted to see how the hair would act with it constantly in my hair. And to be honest with you, it did pretty well. When I was taking care of it at night, I would basically put like 3 braids on this side, 3 braids on this side, and put a bonnet on or tie my hair in a scarf. Wake up in the morning, take it out, or leave it in because we were quarantined, so it was not really no reason for me to take the braids out. So sometimes I'll leave the braids in all day. Now when I did it like that, when I woke up in the morning, I had no issues with the hair. Now on my lazy days, because this is kind of like curly hair, curly wavy hair, on my lazy days, if I just threw a bonnet on this, like I would wake up and my hair would look like this. Okay, so my advice is, if you do get this hair, make sure you really properly take care of it, just like your natural hair. If you went to sleep with your natural hair just out, you're going to wake up with some issues. You're not going to just wake up with beautiful, luscious locks of hair. So yeah, like I said, I've had it for 2 months. It is now made into a unit. And I've been just wearing it like this, on and off. Whenever I have to leave the house, I basically pop it on. If I don't have to leave the house, I don't pop it on. But it's lasting, and I think I can get away with this, with wearing this hair now that it's in a wig, and I can take it off whenever I want or whatever. This hair will definitely last for a long time. This is the natural curl of the hair. Now, okay, let me say, this hair does get really big. Okay, so if you don't put something in it to tame it, by the end of the day, your hair gonna be out here, which is a look. I don't mind that look, but it's certain days, special occasions, you know. So today I had to go to work. I sprayed my hair down with water, and I actually used some Eco Styling gel. Kind of like when you get the, you know, how the wet look. I don't know if that's even in anymore, but I kind of did like that basically. Put some Eco Styling gel in it, and then spray just a little bit of Got2b just to hold everything in, right? And my hair is dry now. You can see it's not stiff, but it's definitely holding the pattern, okay? Just don't go overboard with the Got2b. The Eco Styler gel isn't gonna get that hard. It stays pretty soft. The Got2b, if you put too much, yes, it's definitely gonna get hard. So I would definitely leave all the links below. If you guys decide to try out this hair, leave a comment and let me know how your experience was, because I'm just one person. Everybody has different experiences. So yes, I think I definitely want to try straightening this hair or coloring it. Like, I don't know, I like the hair and I don't want to mess it up. But yeah, this was really just a quick review. I just wanted to come and show you guys this hair because I've been wearing it for 2 months, and I mean, that's a pretty decent amount of time. Like, a lot of people don't keep their hair for that long. So I wanted to let you guys know about some good hair that I got that'll be worth the money. Yeah, go ahead and go on their website and look and see what they got. Oh, they also have 7x7 closures, and that's actually what I'm going to try next when I order from them. I just don't know if I want to order a wig or get bundles again and make my own wig. I don't know, but if I do, you guys will see what I do. Let me see, shedding the hair, does shed, but it's not unbearable. Basically, it's not unbearable at all. Like, you can take it. Like today, so with my hair like this, I haven't been touching it. It hasn't shedded or nothing. But if I took a brush to it, through it, I'm gonna get a little bit of shedding, I'm gonna be honest with you. But I mean, most hair sheds, and I did cut my wefts as well, so I know that's gonna contribute to it. The lace, I like the lace. It's pretty decent. The lace of the closure. I do have to put a little bit of powder foundation on it because it's not really my color, but I mean, it is what it is, you know. All in all, I really like the hair, and I definitely will be ordering from them again. So thank you guys again for watching. Specs are below. Don't forget to comment if you decide to buy this hair, or comment if you just like this hair, and shoot, I don't know, just comment. Comment, like, and don't forget to press that notification bell, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.